Hi everyone, welcome back to Genomics Genesis. Today we are exploring the taxonomical aids, an important topic for your class 11 biology, that is diversity in the living world. So, without any further delay, let's dive in. Here we'll be studying about what are the taxonomical aids, what are the major taxonomical aids, importance of taxonomical aids in details, and a quick comparison table, which you can always refer to during your exam preparations. What are taxonomical aids? Taxonomical aids are nothing but they are the tools that help us to identify, classify, and study organisms. They are just like a shortcut for biologists. Now, what are the major types of taxonomical aids? There are basically five types of taxonomical aids. One is herbarium, one is botanical garden, third is zoological park, fourth is museum, and fifth is key. So, let's discuss each one of them in details. Herbarium. It is nothing but a collection of dried, pressed plant specimens mounted on sheets. Each sheet has a label with plant's scientific name, collection date, location, and collector's name. It is used for plant identification, research, and comparison with new specimens. Example: National Herbarium Botanical Survey of India, Kolkata. This is the picture of herbarium. Herbarium species, how herbariums are stored. The second taxonomical aid is a botanical garden. It is nothing but a living collection of plants grown in a controlled environment. It provides materials for study, research, and conservation of rare or endangered plants. It often includes labeled plants with scientific names and families. Example: Indian Botanical Garden, Howrah, Kolkata, and Royal Garden, that is located in Kew, UK. The third taxonomical aid is the zoological park. It is nothing but a live animal collection maintained for study, education, and conservation. It helps in understanding animal behavior, anatomy, and distribution. Some zoos participate in breeding programs for endangered species. Examples: Delhi Zoo, National Zoological Park, Alipur Zoo, Kolkata. The fourth taxonomical aid is a museum, where preserved collection of organisms in a museum setting is seen, mainly in the form of fossils, right? Specimens are often stored in alcohol as dried mounds or as skeletons. It serves as a reference for researchers and students to study morphology and distribution. Example: Natural History Museum, New Delhi. This is the Calcutta Museum, Indian Museum located in Calcutta. The fifth and the last taxonomical aid is keys. Keys are nothing but they are identification tools that use a series of choices to lead to the name of an organism. Most common is the dichotomous key that gives two contrasting options at each step. It is used in field studies and laboratory work to identify unknown species. Now we'll be discussing about the importance of taxonomical aids. It helps in accurate identification and classification of organisms. It provides a reference for future studies and documentation of biodiversity. It is essential for conservation planning as knowing what species exist is the first step to protecting them. It also supports education and research for students, scientists, as well as researchers. Here is a quick comparison table consisting of all the five key taxonomical aids and their materials along with their main usage and examples of each one of them. You can always refer to this table for your quick revision during your exam time or for further studies. You can take a screenshot of this table or note this table in your notebook and keep it for your studies. It will be very helpful. That's it for today. If you like my video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.